Hey boys and girls, Mr. Gabaki here. Today I'm going to help teach and remind you about perimeter. Today's objective will be we will calculate the distance around the outside of a shape to find the perimeter. So that's how you find the perimeter, is by finding the outside distance around the shape. As you can see here in the first box, it says perimeter is the measure or the measurement around an object. So you see here we have a rectangle. On the top and the bottom, they are both 10 units long. On the left and the right, they are both 6 units long. So in order to find the perimeter, I would take 10 plus 10, which is the top plus the bottom, plus the left and the right side, which are both 6 plus 6. And that would be 32 units. So let's try another problem here. Again, here in the second box, it says to find the perimeter, you would find the measurement around the outside of an object, and you would add all of the sides together. So let's take a look here at the other ones that we have. All right. So just to recall, if you heard me in the first time, I said units because there wasn't a specific measurement. It wasn't inches or centimeters or feet or miles. So our unit of measurement can obviously change based on what we are measuring. So let's take a look here at our other rectangle here. If you look at the top, it is 8 inches long. So inches would be our unit. The bottom is also 8 inches long. And then the left side is 6 inches and the right side is 6 inches. So in order to find that out, as we said, we would have to take our 8 plus 8 for our top and our bottom, plus our left and our right sides, which are 6 plus 6. All right. So if we know 8 plus 8, we know that that's 16. Plus another 6 would be 22. Plus 6 more would be 28. So our perimeter would be 28 inches. I could write that down here as well. That I have 28 inches. 28. I'm sorry, I'm 28 inches. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Look at this one here. We're finding the perimeter again. You can see here that the P stands for perimeter. We're trying to find the perimeter. Now, if you look here, we have a perimeter. The top length is 3 feet and the bottom is 3 feet. And then the left side is 5 feet and the right side is also 5 feet. So feet are our unit of measurement this time. So let's take a look here. So if I know in perimeter, I would take my top and my bottom, which is 3 plus 3, and then my left and my right, which is 5 plus 5. Let's see what we get here. All right, well, we know that's an easy one. 3 plus 3 is 6. And I could jump over here. 5 plus 5 I know is 10. So 6 plus 10 would then be 16. Don't forget the proper unit, 16 feet. All right, I have one more example here for you. This time you're going to see this on the PSSAs a lot, where they give you one of the known side lengths, but not the other. But we know that if this is a rectangle, that there are 2 pairs of equal sides. So the top and the bottom have to be equal, and the left and the right have to be equal. They try to trick us here, but the top is 4 feet. So we know the bottom also has to be 4 feet. And we know that the left side or the right side is 12 feet. So that means that the left side also has to be 12 feet. Let's try this one out. I'm going to put my work up here. So we have 4 plus 4. And then we have our left and our right side, which is 12 plus 12. All right. Well, we know that, and I'm going to drop this down here. We know that 4 plus 4 is 8. So I'm just going to slide that guy under here. And then we know that 12 plus 12 is 24, or you could say 12 times 2, whichever way you prefer.